morning, my name's Jasmine McDonald. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I post ballet and fitness related videos every single Tuesday, Thursday, and now Sunday. And today's video is just gonna be a vlog showing you guys what a ballerina really eats. Today's kind of a crazy day, and last night was a crazy night. I went to Winners, something came over me to go shopping at Winners at like 6 p.m. I got home at 8, I ate dinner at 10, and I stayed up till 2 watching Good Girls, eating a bag of chips. With 2 glasses of wine. So I woke up not feeling great this morning. To be frank, I have a class at 9:30 this morning until 10, so I'm just ready for that. And since it's a ballet class, but it's at home, I'm not in like ballet gear. I'm just in my like fitness workout gear, because after that I have a lot of meetings and I have a lot of work to get done, but I thought I'd take you guys along with me and show you guys what I really eat in a day. Today was kind of one of the worst days to show that, but I wanted to be really authentic and real with you guys. I woke up this morning at like 7 because my cat was going crazy, as cats do. Actually I woke up at 6. I haven't had breakfast yet because I was up until 2, like eating a bag of chips with my glass of wine. And frankly, I'm just not hungry, and I don't want to force myself to eat if I'm not hungry. I'm definitely gonna have breakfast. My next class is only a half hour, so I think I'm gonna do my class first and then have a really hearty breakfast, because today I also go to the dance studio and I get home around like 10 o'clock. So that's when I have dinner. So today's kind of delayed anyways, and my body clock's gonna get all out of whack anyways, so I'm just listening to my body. I don't like to be very particular, eating breakfast, lunch, dinner at an exact time. I still eat all 3 meals plus snacks in between every single meal. However, I don't plan it at a specific time just because my schedule's so not normal. Anyways, let's go. I also got a lot of new things at Winners last night that I want to show you guys. So first thing, these paintings I got. And I got like a matching set. It kind of looks like a tattoo, which I really like. Those paintings are really old. I just needed something to cover the nails. But the matching paintings on this side, and I thought that was nice. I originally wanted to put them beside the bed, but the way the nails are, they're uneven. I don't understand. So yeah, I got those 2 paintings. Now this yoga mat, this is kind of my new class area because it looks so clean and white and bright. This yoga mat is terrible. If you can see all the little holes that my cat and dog have torn. Yeah, they've torn it to bits. So I got a brand new yoga mat that is a little bit more adult, a little bit more clean. It was only $20. It's from Adidas. It's really thick too, so I haven't actually tested it out. I'm going to test it out today, I guess. For those of you who haven't watched my gift guide, I mentioned how I needed a new yoga mat, and I gifted this to myself. That would be a perfect gift if you're still looking for somebody who A, loves fitness, B, wants to get fitter, or C, is a dancer. Yoga mat's the way to go, in my humble opinion. I'll do a little mini haul, but oh gosh. Yes, this is my station last night where I was just watching Good Girls for hours and hours and hours. I got this toy for Elsa for Christmas. We got toys for our pets, and this is what I got for Luna. Steven already got Luna a present, so I had to get one for Elsa and one for Luna. Steven also got Elsa her present, so I got like a little rolly thing for Luna. I got a squeaky for Elsa that says Rose all day. This is Steven's I got for him. He needs one, so I just got one. Oh, I can't show that one because that's a gift. I can't show that one because that's a gift. I can't show that one because it's a gift. They're literally all gifts, apart from this basket I'm gonna use to put like the blankets in and stuff like that. Well, I don't even know what day it is today. What day is it? Today's the 13th, so let's see what's in the 13th. Number 13 says, post a note through the door of somebody who cares selflessly to say thank you. That's really nice. Ooh, my favorite, the Shea shower cream. I love the Shea butter. That's my favorite scent, and it's my favorite actual cream because it's so smooth. Ooh, a bath bomb. Very nice. Coconut bath bubbles. That's number 11. I'm kind of going in a weird order here. And number 10 is, which looks like I haven't opened either. Oh my goodness, I've been terrible. Number 10 says, gift a gift to somebody who is too busy for caring for others, even if it's a hug or a cup hug. A loofah! I needed a new loofah, so this is perfect. Favorite! It's the Purifying Glow Mask with Himalayan salt and charcoal. I love this one. I look crazy. I've done it in my vlogs before and I love it. It really tightens your skin but also like smooths it out. I am so happy with that. So number 12, this is the David's Tea calendar, which is super cute. Huh, right here. Caribbean Crush, fruity, tropical, and refreshing. I find in the David's Tea one, they're all really fruity as far as I've come across. Number 11, if I can remember. I haven't tried it yet. Oh, sweet potato pie. This one's gonna be good. I can already tell. I think I will have something quick to eat before class. I just finished my first class of today, and now I have a couple of hours to finish up on some admin work. I'm a little bit behind. By a little bit, I mean a lot. I'm currently working for a website, kind of like a blog post, so I need to finish writing that portion and editing it. And then after that, I have a nutrition consult with a client. So I have that at 1:30, I think. Right now it's, what time is it? It is 10:19 right now. I just finished my class. So I'm gonna work on my admin stuff for my website and for the website that I'm actually working for. I have my breakfast, which is so good. I got these little like breakfast bites from the store and they're so delicious. And I also have my David's tea. My dance room has been the most neglected room of the house by far. I just don't feel as inspired in here. I don't know if it's the color, but the other areas of the house are so cute and cozy. I just need to zhuzh it up a little bit. So give me suggestions. I think I'm gonna paint the room during the holidays or during the summer when I have more time. But right now it's a bit, it's a bit of a disaster. I mean, my desk says it all. I need to zhuzh up my desk and make this cuter. Like there's a tiara, there's this, which is adorable. And then the tea I'm having today is the sweet potato pie. Still really hot. Hi, you hot? Hot. It's really good though.
You guys know when you see yourself in video and you're like, oh my gosh, do I actually look like that? Do I actually act like that and have those mannerisms? I'm watching myself in video and I'm just thinking, oh my God, do I actually sit like that? Is that my posture for real?
This is my little editing buddy. Yeah, she's a very good editor.
My cat is the zoomies right now. I am finally done all my mid-work, so it took me only 2 hours. I'm actually gonna go for a walk because it's really nice outside. It looks so nice and sunny.
All my life, I dreamed of being near water, whether that be in California or somewhere off the west or east coast in Canada. But the fact that we just moved to a place that actually has a beach and a lake just makes my inner child so happy. There's something inside of me that's always been drawn to water, and I always come back to the water in whatever way, whether I'm feeling sad or happy or anxious. It always just calms me down, and looking at the waves like this in turmoil just really calmed me in some strange way. I don't know what it is, but the waves just really, really bring peace to my mind. I mean, even as a kid, my parents used to call me a fish and I could literally never get out of the water. It was so funny. I used to turn into like a little prune. But anyways, I had some tea when I got back because it was really, really cold. And then as soon as I got in the door, I pretty much had meetings for the next hour. And then after my meetings, I'm actually going to be having my lunch, which is super delicious. I am so beyond grateful for the little potato company because it makes baking potatoes or cooking potatoes like the easiest thing in the world. It's literally done 5 minutes. I also boiled some broccoli. I had a leftover hot dog that was from the other night. Steven made me a veggie hot dog, so it is vegan and it didn't taste vegan at all. It was super, super delicious, and since it was left over, I had to have it before it went bad. I tossed some extra virgin olive oil on top of my potatoes with the spice blend and threw everything on some kale because when in doubt, throw it all in kale, add some hummus, and call it a day. I'm totally kidding, but I just need to add some more nutritional value to my lunch. I also really love medjool dates. I used to have such a problem with medjool dates. Not a problem, but I just used to eat like 10 of them. Now I select 2 to 4 and that is satisfactory to me, and they're so delicious. The problem is they're just so filling and so sweet that you can really overkill it with dates. Nonetheless, they're super delicious. So tonight I had the students for the very last time before the holidays, so we actually did a couple lyrical routines, and this is one of the lyrical routines that we did together. For privacy reasons, I obviously didn't put the students in my vlog today, but I thought I would record myself doing it just so you guys get an idea of the kind of movement that I do in my classes. Tonight's class is usually ballet, but a lot of people were gone for holidays already, so there was only 3 girls in the last class, and we just kind of had fun, did some improv, did some lyrical, like I'm showing you right now. We danced to Sia's Mr. Snowman, and it was so much fun. My students gave me presents today. It's the last day of school before the holidays, and it's so sweet, it's so cute. That's so sweet and thoughtful. I love when I get home late and I have food already prepped and I don't even have to cook. I'm also going to try this burrito from Amy's, and it's dairy-free and vegan, so I'm super excited. So the burrito was pretty good, but if I'm gonna be honest, it was pretty salty, so I ended up having like 6 or 7 glasses of water right before bed, which was not ideal. But anyways, I had some leftovers with this burrito. It was really delicious. I would always recommend making more food than you need for one serving, just because you never know if you're gonna have time by the time you get home from work. And I also had some dessert afterwards, which is just sorbet, a Cliff Bar, and 2 dates. And I also snacked on some chips right before bed as well. I have some kind of weird craving lately for really, really salty chips right before bed. I have no idea why. It's delicious, and I'm honoring that craving. That being said, guys, I'm going to say my outro through this little voiceover right now because I am completely pooped and exhausted. I'm actually curled up in bed as I'm speaking. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. I know it was a little bit of a shorter, random, what I eat in a day kind of a vlog of a ballerina / dance teacher. Let me know in the comments down below if you enjoyed this vlog and what you want to see next. Thanks again for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, and bye now.